But we're also talking tropics, so I'll get to that.
Okay.
I do want to first focus on the heat and the sweep before I get to the tropics. But that heat advisory continues for us. And we talked about this in the last half hour, but this is in effect for today, likely to be extended mostly every day until Friday. I think Friday we may see the National Weather Service back off on this. This is for heat index values between 105 to 110. It already feels like 98 degrees at DFW with the actual temperature of 92 and a southwest wind at 10 to 15. We see a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. We're going to see that the remainder of the day. High temperature of 101 possible today for Fort Worth and in Dallas, 100 in Denton, 101 in McKinney. I'm expecting our third triple-digit heat day today of 2024. So we had one last Friday and then the Sunday before that. Heat index anywhere between 105 to 110 for many North Texas locations. And again, it's because of that high humidity. It does not allow us to cool down much overnight, and it ramps up our heat index during the afternoon hours. And that's what we're seeing the next several days. We'll see likely triple-digit heat through the 4th of July holiday. The hottest temperature I have is 102 on Tuesday, and on the 4th of July, a high near 101. The heat index approaching 110. I don't think we'll actually get to 110, but it gets very close to it. Look at Friday, 98. I think on Friday we may see our first non-heat advisory day in a while, and if not Friday, definitely Saturday with high temperatures only in the mid-90s. This is why high pressure currently not allowing any rain to develop, and it's really allowing our temperature to climb into the triple digits. That scoots off towards the east. Now, when it scoots off to the east, it is going to allow for a front to move in. That possibly brings us some relief for next weekend. This is what it could look like, that front moving in on Friday. Ahead of that front, we could see some added cloud cover and some rain. That's what's going to keep us hopefully below that triple-digit mark, not just Friday, but look at this, Saturday as well. Coverage with the rain about 30%. I'm not expecting a lot of rain, so don't get your hopes up. If you don't see rain, you'll at least see some cloud cover, and at least that keeps us in the 90s, anywhere between a tenth to maybe half an inch, and that's being a little bit aggressive. All right, a quick update on the tropics. We still have Hurricane Beryl that made landfall in Curacao Island at 10:10 a.m. local time with max sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. So I'm watching this. This is a really impressive storm because it is a Category 4 storm, but it was a Category 4 storm yesterday, making it the earliest Category 4 on record in the Atlantic Basin. It's the first major hurricane east of the Caribbean. Now what we're going to see is that these hurricane warnings continue for today, but also tropical storm watch for areas of the Dominican Republic and Haiti and Jamaica, a hurricane watch. And it's because of where the track is headed. The track is going right over the Caribbean, likely still a Category 2 when it's making an impact on Jamaica, not landfall, just impact. But we are going to see it kind of weaken because it runs into some shear as it approaches the Yucatan Peninsula. That's going to happen on Friday morning. Now, Saturday morning, we are going to see this then move into the Gulf. And here's what I'm thinking. This weekend, we're going to have to pay close attention to what models are doing with this, because some models on good agreement of where it's going over the Caribbean, but after it gets into the Yucatan Peninsula, they're kind of split. A few of them do have it making it a bit more closer towards the U.S. side of the Gulf Coast. So again, we'll have to watch this. If this happens, it'll be early next week. Again, something to watch, but until then, we're not calling on any local impacts. Temperatures this weekend in the mid-90s. Next week, we kind of settle into kind of an unsettled pattern with small rain chances there. We'll be back.